Welcome to Activity 71. In this activity, we are going to develop the strategy of taking away 9 for wholes that are in the teens by first taking away 10. I know 15. Take away 10 equals 5. And using this to then take away 9. So 15 take away 9 equals 6, which is 1 greater on the number line. To complete this activity, you need one of each block from 1 to 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. When we subtract, it's whole, take away, part equals part. Player 1 goes first, and they spin a whole of 17. First, we build the whole of 17 above the number line and mark it. Then we are going to take away 9, we are first going to take away 10 and move in this direction on the number line. We say 17, take away 10 equals 7. We then do 17 take away 9. We say, so 17 take away 9 equals 8. And I record this. 17 take away 9 equals 8. I can check by placing my number block that's 8, and I can also check that these numbers 7, 8, 10 are in the correct order. Player 2 has their turn, and I'm going to model a spin of the whole of 14. First we place the whole of 14 and mark it on the number line. Then we take away a part of 10 and say 14 take away 10 equals 4. I then take away 9 and say, so 14 take away 9 equals 5. And I record this. 14 take away 9 equals 5. The aim is to make the smallest answer or least answer in each round. So player 2 is the winner this time. Now it's your turn.